Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. In this video I will show how to create an impossible circle logo. Watch till the end carefully. Let's get started. First, take the ellipse tool, and draw a circle. Go to Object, Transform, Scale, and set the uniform 50%, and press on Copy. Move it to the up, then copy it to the down, and copy it to right and left. Draw a circle in the middle. Then select all the circle, take the Shape Builder tool, and minus the inside part, and unite the outer part like this. That's perfect. Now move it to the one side. Take the Rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle. Swap the color from stroke to fill. Then copy it to the other side, and make it thinner. Select both rectangle, go to the Object, Blend, and click on Make. Again, go to the Object, Blend, click on Blend option, then adjust the specified number here. Open the brush panel, select the object we created, and move it to the brush, select the pattern brush, and then click on OK. Delete all this rectangle from the artboard. Now take the ellipse tool, and draw a circle. Select the circle, and click on the pattern brush what we create earlier. And scale it up. Also scale the grid line. Select the pattern, go to the object, and click on Expand. And then move it to the grid line. Now we are adjusting the line a bit. OK, now select the inside line and the pattern, take the Shape Builder tool, and erase the outer line like me. That's perfect. Now select the pattern, and rotate it to 90 degrees, and copy it 3 times, by clicking Ctrl and D from the keyboard. OK, now delete an inside line. That's great. Now let's color it with gradient. You can apply this method with any logo or shape. That's great. Now let me show you another quick bonus style. Take this ellipse tool and draw a circle. Go to the Edit, Copy, and Paste it front, and then scale it down. Again go to Edit, Copy, and Paste it front, scale from upper side by pressing Shift from the keyboard. Then copy it to the down. Select all the shape, take the Shape Builder tool, and unite the shape like me. And minus this eye part. Now take the ellipse tool, and draw the circle inside this shape. Some can be bigger and some can be smaller. So after all of this we will get this type of logo. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, have a great day.